A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal showdown, former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James are pushing for the dismissal of criminal charges against them, citing the controversial appointment of U.S. Attorney Lindsey Halligan. The case, which has drawn national attention, revolves around allegations that Halligan's appointment violated constitutional principles, rendering the indictments against both Comey and James invalid. Their legal teams presented arguments before U.S. District Judge Cameron Curry in Alexandria, Virginia, asserting that Halligan's role as the interim U.S. attorney was improperly established following the ousting of her predecessor, Eric Siebert, amid pressure from the Trump administration. The crux of the defense's argument hinges on the assertion that Halligan, who was appointed as interim U.S. attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, did not receive the necessary Senate confirmation required for permanent appointments. This situation arose after Siebert's term expired, leading to concerns that Halligan's appointment was a direct attempt to bypass the Senate's advise and consent role in the confirmation of federal prosecutors. Comey, indicted on charges of making false statements and obstructing a congressional proceeding, has pleaded not guilty. His case stems from allegations that he misled senators during his testimony regarding the FBI's investigation into Russian election interference in 2016. Meanwhile, Attorney General Letitia James faces serious charges of bank fraud and making false statements to a financial institution, both of which could lead to lengthy prison sentences if convicted. During the hearing, Judge Curry expressed skepticism regarding the legality of Halligan's appointment, questioning the implications of allowing such an appointment to go unchallenged. The defense argued that if Halligan's role is deemed valid, it would undermine the Senate's crucial role in confirming U.S. attorneys, effectively setting a dangerous precedent for future appointments. Halligan's appointment occurred shortly before she secured the indictments against Comey and James, raising eyebrows among legal experts and political analysts alike. The defense maintains that the timing and circumstances surrounding her appointment are not mere technicalities, but fundamental flaws that warrant the dismissal of the charges against both defendants. The Justice Department, represented by Attorney Henry Whitaker, countered that any issues related to Halligan's appointment are merely procedural and should not impact the validity of the indictments. Whitaker characterized the concerns raised by Comey and James's legal teams as a paperwork error, arguing that federal law allows for successive interim appointments and that Halligan's actions were within the bounds of her authority. Despite the government's defense, Judge Curry probed further into the legitimacy of Halligan's appointment, citing a lack of clarity regarding the grand jury proceedings and questioning how the Attorney General could have ratified Halligan's appointment without full access to the necessary transcripts. The judge expressed concern that the absence of complete records could undermine the integrity of the grand jury process that led to the indictments. As the legal arguments unfolded, both Comey and James were present in the courtroom, keenly aware of the implications this case holds not just for their personal futures, but for the broader political landscape. The charges against them are widely viewed as politically motivated, given their status as vocal critics of former President Trump. The hearing lasted over an hour, with Judge Curry indicating that she would issue a ruling before Thanksgiving, heightening the anticipation surrounding the case. If the judge rules in favor of Comey and James, it could set a significant legal precedent regarding the appointment of U.S. attorneys and the constitutional requirements for such roles. As the nation watches closely, the outcome of this case may have far-reaching implications not only for Comey and James, but also for the ongoing discourse surrounding the politicization of the justice system. Legal experts and political commentators are weighing in on the potential ramifications of this case, with many suggesting that it highlights the need for clearer guidelines regarding the appointment and confirmation of federal prosecutors. In a political climate fraught with tension and division, the Comey and James case serves as a reminder of the intricate interplay between law and politics, and the enduring question of accountability in the highest echelons of government. The decision by Judge Curry will likely resonate beyond the courtroom, shaping the narrative around the Trump administration's legacy and its impact on the justice system in America. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.